All right, today I have a set of sheets from Eucalypso Home. These are Tencel Sheets, and I'll go into exactly what that means. But basically, they're a sheet that are silky smooth and very breathable. And as you can see, they take pride in the packaging. So when you get it, it'll come in a packaging in a brown cardboard box to protect this packaging. But you get a nice box that really does make a nice gift, and obviously something you can keep for later. They tie it in a bow. I retied it just to kind of give you an idea and give you a nice welcome message here. They've got their branding on it and wrapped in tissue paper. But here's a little bit of information on Tencel Sheets and what they are. Now you'll notice that these sheets, I always usually try and get the white with any sheet I get just to be consistent, but they almost look and feel like silk. And so they're going to have a very silky, breathable, light feel to them. Very thin. With Tencel Sheets, you really don't get into thread counts or any of that because it is a special process. But you'll notice, now this is a king size set here. It's got good quality stitching. It lays very well, so it just is going to drape right over your bed. And the reason that they're so light and airy is that Tencel is a fiber actually made of wood pulp. And what they do is they take the pieces of wood, cut them into about sizes of a postage stamp, and then they use a chemical that will break down that pulp, and then they can use that material to create this really fine yarn. Now Tencel, the process is it's a self-loop, so basically it's an extremely efficient process to make this fiber, more efficient than like a rayon, and it uses, some studies say, 10 times less water than cotton. So from a sustainability standpoint, these are great sheets. And Tencel I usually recommend for people that live in warmer climates, or if you're like me in Minnesota, definitely it's a summer sheet, not necessarily a winter one, because they are so breathable and they do wick away moisture. So as you lay on them, not only are they going to feel breathable, but they're going to keep you dry at night too. So you're not, if you're prone to sweating at night, these are just wonderful sheets. They're also designed to prevent pilling. So they should maintain this soft, silky feel for many washes. Now, a queen set of the Eucalypso, I believe, retails for around $130. And with that, you get the top fitted sheets and then 2 pillowcases. Eucalypso does offer returns, but just keep in mind there's a $10 return fee. And that's just to cover the costs of shipping and so forth. They also ask that you return them in unused new condition. So if you buy them, say you get the wrong color, if you run your hand across it and feel like, these just aren't for me, you would pay that $10 fee and then you'd get the rest of your money back. The sheets are then donated to a charity like Habitat for Humanity, any sheets that are returned in new condition, because obviously they can't resell them. So I've reviewed many Tencel sheets on the site before. These are a very high quality Tencel sheet. Sometimes you can get them blended with cotton, and that's just if you want a little bit more familiar feel with cotton. But if you want to go 100% Tencel, then you're getting the full benefits of the Tencel fiber, quite a bit more breathability as well. And these aren't going to shrink. There may be some wrinkling with these, but again, if you just take them out of the dryer right away, you shouldn't have issues with wrinkling. And of course, they'll smooth out as they get onto your bed. So if you want to know more about Eucalypso, the sheets they offer, and just more about Tencel fibers in general, head on over to sleepsherpa.com.